It blew up. I don't know what else to say about it. I bought a PlayStation 1 online. It was incomplete. The dude who was selling it wasn't sure if it was working properly, but it was only $5. So, Jesus Christ, this tape ain't messing around. Let's save my coffee. It looks great though, like it's barely been used. Well, let's fire it up. I'm actually dressed for the occasion, so let's go. I won't be hooking it up to this beast right here because I don't want to ruin my childhood memories. Meet my trusty CRT, Phil. I've had it for 20 years, it never once failed me, and it's great for retro gaming. This is where the PS1 belongs. You can swap out the PlayStation 2 cables to the PlayStation 1 and it will work just fine. It blew up. I don't know what else to say about it. See the smoke coming out of it? Jesus fucking Christ. I already unplugged it, by the way, no worries. Well, I guess that's it then. So that's not necessarily how I thought this video would end. I contacted the guy who sold me the PlayStation 1 and he told me that I used the wrong power supply, that you actually can't use the PlayStation 2 power supply in the PlayStation 1. Given the fact that the thing fucking blew up, I'm gonna guess that he is right and that you can't use a PlayStation 2 power supply on a PlayStation 1. If you like content like this, but normally with less explosions, please consider subscribing to the Homebound Gamer YouTube page. Bye. See you on the next one.